A place where steel finds its purpose, where strength is engineered with a vision, where precision is not a choice, it's a culture. Located in Bodra, spread across 4.5 lakh square feet, one of the largest TMT bar manufacturers in central Gujarat. We are Stallion TMT, a brand driven by purpose to build a stronger tomorrow. Every journey begins with purity. Each billet is meticulously tested through advanced spectro testing to ensure perfect chemical composition. In every billet lies the integrity of what we promise. Through our fully automatic, continuous straight rolling mill supplied by Steefo Industries, energy and precision unite in motion. With advanced process control and automation, Stallion TMT produces bars that meet the most demanding standards of strength, ductility and weldability. Designed for excellence, our plant operates with a massive annual capacity of 200,000 metric tons. Using Thermex's German technology, each bar undergoes controlled quenching to ensure perfect balance of hardness and flexibility in each Stallion TMT bar. Once quenched through Thermex's precision, every bar moves across our fully automated cooling bed, naturally strengthening their structure. Equipped in-house testing laboratory transforms every Stallion TMT bar into a symbol of trust, safety and resilience. Elongation and bend-rebend tests confirm that flexibility meets the demands of modern construction. This relentless attention to detail ensures our bars meet and exceed BIS and ISO standards, producing grades that stand apart and trusted by builders nationwide. Proudly 100% made in India, with a vision to strengthen our nation's foundation. The entire Stallion team working in harmony to shape foundations of tomorrow.